Hi everyone, this is Peter Online Computer Network Engineering tutorial. I'm here to teach you, switch, configuring switch interfaces. Okay, these switch interfaces, okay, from FO/0 to 24 can be configured for different settings based on what you are doing. Okay, based on configuration. It can be configured trunk, trunk link. It can be configured with IP address. No, it's router that can be configured with IP address. It can be configured, VLANs. It can be configured with access. Okay, these three configuration that I mentioned now are for virtual LANs. When we come to virtual LAN topic, but now I want to configure these interfaces with full duplex speed and description. Okay, let's start from this full duplex. Full duplex, okay, switches by default comes with auto negotiation. And of course, you know that switches are full duplex devices, okay? Like this is a fast Ethernet switch, okay, which has a full duplex or transmission speed of 100 megabit per second. Okay, now, and they discover that these interfaces are showing red, okay, or amber light, that's yellow, instead of green. It could be speed or duplex mismatch. Okay, maybe this computer connected to it has a full duplex, port, or maybe has 100 megabits per second, port or NIC, network interface card, while the switch is showing 10 megabit. So speed mismatch can cause the speed or the link to start malfunctioning. Okay, what you need to do at global configuration mode, I assume that you people know how to come to global configuration mode. It can interface, or before then, just stay at privilege mode. This switch here at privilege mode. You can say show interfaces, interfaces show interfaces. You hit enter. Now this switch will begin to analyze each and every one of these interfaces, their status. Okay, you will see anyone that is blinking that amber or red will be showing speed mismatch. Okay, the computer connected to this switch is 100, okay, speed, 100 megabit per second, while the switch port is 10. So in that case, what you need to do, you come to from this privilege mode here, you do this configure or conf t for short, conf t, configure terminal. Okay, you hit enter to come to global configuration mode where you do this interface range. Now I want to interface all. You have interfaced all range, okay, from F0/0 to you give space 24. That's 24 port. You hit enter. You're in interface configuration mode, interface if. Okay, where you say speed 100. You hit enter. You are still on this interface. You put duplex, duplex full. You hit enter. Okay, you now put Control Z. Just press either end or you click on the combine the key, Control Z on your laptop to come back to privilege mode. Where you do, or sorry, you put exit. Let's talk about description. Put exit to come back to global configuration mode. So description is a process where you can specify the location of every computer. Okay, let's say this computer PC4 is in second floor office 1 in you know office 1, that's PC1, second floor in office 2. Now interface, this is the interface FO/4. You hit enter where you come back to interface configuration mode. Okay, where you put description. You describe the location of that computer from the in the switch in case for easy troubleshooting. Description, computer 2 in office 5 on second floor. You hit enter. Then you put Control Z, combine Control and Z on your key to come back to privilege mode, where you do copy running configuration. Remember that running configuration is what you have just configured that is not saved, is in the random access memory. In that case, if your computer powered off, all the configured is lost. Okay, all the configured are lost. Sorry. Then remember, you have just said this is where we are. Okay, you have just saved it, or you do copy run start. Copy for short, run start. This start is startup configuration where you save that information completely, permanently, okay? Then you now from here, or you do write WR is still the same save to startup configuration. That's in a non-volatile RAM, okay? That is where the information is saved, permanently, okay? So from still here, privilege mode is where you do show runs and they save their configurations. You do show interface, show interfaces. You do show interfaces again. To recheck, remember at the beginning point, this is the first date is issued. Command the issue to check the interfaces status. Okay, before you now do some configuration, then you do the thing after configuration and see that that's one description. You can now know the location of every computer in case the user calls you and there's a problem. You need to go there and say show interface this, okay, to check there. For easy troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is a process of finding fault, okay? For easy troubleshooting, so you should specify the location of every computer, okay, configure speed and duplex full, okay, so that everything will match and all these lights, warning lights, indicators will stop. I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you like this video, go ahead and share it. Thank you.